Okay, here we are in my stand, looking over my field. See if the zoom works. No, zoom doesn't work while it's recording. The view, we can pan around. The road that comes in where I walk in. There's a little shooting lane Walt made for me. Nice of him. That's where I shot the spike last night, right down there. So, doesn't look like much is happening today. This is a Saturday, Halloween day. So, I need to do some tree trimming, but it's good camouflage. So, it's been raining, so I gotta cover my gun scope. And it's me. Looking for deer. This is me looking for deer. Get a good neck workout.